My mama is right here forcing it, but I feel like doing a little makeup. Well, not even makeup, like a lip tutorial. I be mixing lips and they be turning out cute like this one. So that's what we're about to do. I'm about to spit real quick for this intro. I'm Tay Monet, but you already know we doing fly things on this channel, so be prepared. Tell your friends about this thing, girl, even share it. God is my light, that's why I'm about to shine. Subscribe to this thing so you can be a part of this grind. And by the way, these is gonna be like on a budget type things, cause I don't wear MAC. I don't think I ever had MAC. I bought my mom MAC, but yeah. Okay. In the base of all my stuff, like, it doesn't matter if it's gonna be a lip gloss or whatever. I always put like some lip chap or this stuff that I've been using. Hold on. This stuff is really good. I got this from the beauty supply store and it makes my lips feel so good. I use this every night before I go to sleep. And then in the morning they be all plump. I don't wear, like I said, I don't wear MAC. I don't wear all that stuff. I get to the beauty supply store. And my mom picked this up one day. And it is a matte. Like a nude. Like this is my nude. Let me show y'all. You match me? So this is gonna be the base of it. Don't pay attention to my mustache because, yeah, I'm gonna be making fun of my mustache. So now that that's on there, I think it's called Lip Kiss. I got this from the beauty supply store like a while ago. A85 Woody Brown. So yeah, and this is how it look. It's a really pretty color. I like this color. So I took that and I lined the outer parts of my lips. Okay, so now that I did that, all I did was close my lips together. Like try to line the bottom with the top. Okay, so this is before, and this is how I did it. I liked it how the middle was like more pink than it was any other thing. So I took this kind of pink color by Wet n Wild. Okay, see, it's been through it. And this is called Bear It's All. So it's kind of like a nude. So I took that and I went in right here. Just to get that kind of like liner type thing look. So this is how it turned out. Super cute.